Hi, I'm Mandy. Today's video we're setting up October's budget. If you'd like to see what's in store for us in October, come along and let's get started. How are you doing? I'm doing pretty good. The cats have been stepping all over my planner. We're in October. And we're doing things a little bit different for as decorations. Before, I was doing some kits, but this time I decided to use washi tapes and the stickers, trying to use the things I have, right? Let's see, let's get us an ink pen. And let's get started on our budget. We'll need that calculator in just a moment. But I'm just moving things around. Bear with me. My ring lights has messed up again. So instead of going back and paying only $8 and having it get destroyed again and not work in a month or two, I am actually going to order a new one. So hopefully it'll be here soon before all the other videos gets done. Okay. Now let's do orange. It's kind of fall colors. Okay. I am a zero-based budgeter, which means I give all my money a job to do, whether it's to pay bills, go in my cash envelope, sinking funds, or savings. I have started to do this step for my monthly budget, and then at the end of the month, I go back and recap and see how well we did on all the categories, not just the cash envelopes. The way I do my monthly income is I do an estimate and I kind of lowball it. That way, when I have more than what is expected, I can throw it more into my sinking funds and savings. And talk about fall, here comes the orange boy. So I get paid twice. I get paid on the 7th and the 21st. So my estimate income for those two is going to be $900 each. My Etsy income, I'm not going to estimate anything for here because I'm not sure how many sales I'm going to get this month, if any. Other is any other income that's unplanned that comes in. I'm also going to include the amount left over for the bills coming up this month. I forgot to add that part into the when I was creating this, so we're just going to use that as include the extra into the other, and that is $100. Okay. So let's add the 900, 900, and the 100 together. That gives us a grand total of $1,900. So our estimated income for this month is $1,900. Our bills, our estimated bills total for October is $974. The actual we'll find out when we do our end of the month recap. So our total estimate is $974. Now what we're going to do is take this amount and subtract it from the $1,900. That leaves us with $926 to put in these categories. So left is $926. Our food budget for October is going to be $550. This includes for both groceries and eating out. This month we're trying something new and combining those both to see if that helps with keeping everything under budget. Gas is going to be $300. Yummy buddy. And miscellaneous is still going to be $30. So let's add those up to see how much we'll be going into our estimate total is going to be for cash envelopes. So $550 plus $300. Oh, come on, sit down here. I have a little man here named Cooney that wants to be held. So let's see if I can do this and hold him too. Let's see, $850 plus 30. So it gives us a total of $880. So when we subtract the remaining amount, the $926, from the $880, that leaves us with $46 left to go into our other categories. I look at when it's this low as a total monthly review, I take a look at all my categories and decide which one is the most important to me at this point. The most important one is an emergency fund because we're trying to build that up as quickly as possible. For my sinking funds, then, none of these will be getting anything. Will be estimated I'll be able to put anything in them. Now, if I get paid more, I will then add them at that paycheck. I'm supposed to get a bonus. I hope so this month in October. If I do, I definitely will be throwing them into these categories. So I left still 40. Total is still zero, and the left is 46. Emergency will be getting the $46. Savings, nothing. Car maintenance, nothing. And cushion, and nothing. Cushion is for when we get paid and there's like change left over, it gets thrown into it. So the total budgeted is $46. When you subtract 46 from 46, of course that is 0. Just to make sure that we did this correctly, what we're going to do, let me get a different color because that's kind of bright, is take the total amount and make sure they add up to 1900. Let's see if we did it correctly. So 974 plus 880 plus 46, 1900. And that's what we should have. So yay, we did it right. Okay, so let's take a look into our goals for the month. This one I will have to change because it won't show up, I don't think, on that orange background. It'll show up, it just won't be as noticeable, I don't think. So our goes okay. For our no spend with nothing spent at all, last month's go was 5. So I think we'll keep it at 5. No spin. It's going to be 5. Okay. So that's nothing spinning at all. For the challenge, I think we're going to continue with the eating out challenge. And the go, it will be, we'll keep it 10 days again. 10 days. No eating out. Now, I can tell you right now, by looking at this, there is going to be at least one day that we eat out in October, and that is on the 1st, because on the 1st, my daughter, there's a parade here locally. My youngest daughter, Olive, is going to be playing in the band, and they're going to be marching in the parade. So we'll probably eat out that day because we'll be so tired from all the festivities. So I at least know the 1st is not going to be a no going at. But the rest of the month, we're hoping to get 10 days. And on the 8th, we may be going to the farm. If we go to the farm, we'll probably eat out there. So there's at least 2 days I know for sure we probably will eat out. But we'll see. Is there anything else? I don't think so. No, okay. Okie dokie. That's got our bills set and ready to go, and our budget ready to go for the month of October. Here is to a new month, a new beginning, a fresh new start. If you enjoy budgeting content, I'd like to see more. I got plenty to choose from. There'll be some few videos popping up here in just a moment. If you're new here, please take a look around. If you like what you see, please consider subscribing. We're on the road to 200, and my goal is to hit 200 by October the 31st. Let's see if we can do it. I bet we can. Remember, every dime counts, and we'll see you next time, folks. Have a good one. Tell him bye, Cooney. He's not going to do it, I don't think. Going to tell him bye? Yeah, he's going to say hi. He gone. Okay, bye.